going on, guys, and welcome back to another video, the first of many videos that are going to be filmed in my brand new garage, which I am super excited about. In today's video, we're going to be taking the grill off of my truck and replacing it with a much cooler one. As you guys know, my truck has the standard 2-bar Ford grill on it. It looks okay, but to be honest, it's not the best looking grill that I've ever seen, and plus it's a slightly different shade of gray than the rest of my truck. I don't know why, but I've seen a lot of the Ford trucks. I think it's particular to the sport model, but they come standard with this like darker magnetic gray style of these, you know, front 2-bar style grills, and I just don't think it looks good. It looks like that, like I bought a grill that I was trying to color match to my truck, but then I did a bad job on color matching it. So ordered a new one. This is actually the second grill that I've gotten because the first one that I ordered was kind of like a bait and switch thing where I thought I was getting something, then I opened the box and realized it was a totally different thing, so I sent that one back. But now we got the brand new one. It's over right here in this general area, and I'm super excited to install it and show it to you guys. Okay guys, so here's the grill that I decided to go with. It's the black honeycomb style. You've got your 3 Raptor style lights up here. They did come with this little box so you could put like the F-O-R-D letters on it. Truthfully, I think I'm just gonna leave them off for now, just to see how it looks without it. Because I think that it's actually gonna look way cooler if I just leave it this way on the truck, especially in comparison to the grill that's on it right now. I'm just not a big fan of it at all, and I'm excited to see what this new grill looks like. Okay guys, so first things first, let's get this old grill off the truck. So, got the existing grill off the truck. If you guys are wondering how I did that, I made a dedicated video for how to remove the grill on a 2018 to 2020 F150, so you guys can go check that video out. I'll show you the difference now between the two grills that we're working with. So here's the one that I took off. Here's the one that we're gonna put on. As you can already tell, this one's gonna look so much better. All right, so we've taken the active shutter system off the back of the old grill and we've installed it on this new grill. If you don't know what it is, essentially, when you turn your truck on, these guys close so the engine can reach like that hot operating temperature faster, and then when you actually start driving around, the shutters open up. That's where this like plug comes in. It's like an actuator that like opens and closes them. Anywho, we've got everything hooked up to the new grill. This obviously will go on top of it, but we're gonna stick this new guy into here. In case you guys buy the same grill that I did and you're wondering what these little guys are, it's labeled right and left. There's just 4 screws that go on, and these little clips, when you put the grill in, will go into these little holes right here. That's it. It's a very simple, straightforward process, and I'm excited to see what this guy is gonna look like when he's on the truck. I'm looking at it right now, guys. It looks amazing. I am gonna try not to show you exactly what it looks like. There we go. Okay, so the wiring harness that came with it, this is how they give it to you. You've got your hot end and you've got your negative end. So I'm just gonna put it right into the battery, and then I'm gonna basically put all the screws and everything back in. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so the new grill on the truck looks amazing. I think it looks so much better than the old grill that we had on the truck previously. I love the way the lights look. I think I'm gonna leave it the way that it's sitting right now. I told you earlier in the video that I had the F-O-R-D letters that I could potentially put on the grill after I've installed it, but I don't think I'm gonna do that because I think that the way that the truck looks right now with this grill is fantastic. I will note, I'm not really sure why, but the lights are staying on even when the truck is not running and it's in the lock position. So the way I have it wired up right now is I've got it hooked up to the battery. I think maybe to fix it, I might have to tap into the headlights here. That way these guys aren't draining my battery. But I love the way this grill looks. I'll leave it linked in the description below. It was only like $149 on eBay. I'll leave the exact link of this exact grill that I got in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.